Hey, what's going on? Mathew Tamin here. Have you ever wanted to start an online business, but you're stuck because you just don't know how to create a website? Listen, I get it. I get it. I've developed a 90-day training course that is going to walk you through step by step how to build a website for any type of business, even if you never created websites before. I get so many people say, Mathew, I want to sell products online. I want to create a blog. I want to do this online, but I just don't know how to build a website. And I'm frustrated because I've tried so many tools before, but nothing gave me the results that I desire. Well, that's going to change because over the next 90 days, I've created a training program. Again, this is not something where you watch a bunch of videos and just sit there and you clip after clip. But this is designed to work with you on a one-on-one basis. This is a live training. It's interactive. So whatever type of business that you want to start, you're going to learn how to build any type of website. So for example, you want to sell products online and you want to create an e-commerce website, where I'm going to teach you how do you build an e-commerce website that looks professional. You can accept payments online. You can process credit cards. This is going to open up the door for your business. So people from all over the world, they're going to be able to order on your website. So again, if you've never created websites before, you don't know what to do, you feel frustrated, you're stuck, just take it easy. This course will walk you through everything, and I mean everything that you need to know, from setting up a server, your web hosting, the marketing strategy that you can implement, and so many things that you need to know in order to have a successful online business. So I look forward to being part of this.